I'd start with the gold coins, a small portion of it, because it's on hand. If some small fire comes up, and it will, that they make up, like, the last
Mhm.
pandemic, whatever it is, your gold's sitting there, and if you need cash or whatever they say, you could go get cash that day to pay bills or whatever. For any amount of time, you have gold coins, because gold coins basically keep their value. You see, if they're devaluing the currency, then the gold, it kind of stays stable. You see
Right.
all the time. So, that if gold was $30 an ounce forever, and now it's, 2,500 or something, that shows you what they've done to the dollar. But gold has stayed the same. And if it's US minted, no one's coming out here faking US minted coins or US soil. You'd be in jail in 2 seconds. So that's not happening. So they're going to go, and who I know, everyone else knows they're going to go. You see? So they're a very good resource, like, to invest. Okay, I stored some of my wealth there. It'll keep with inflation, what have you, whatever scams they got going on. Okay, that's the smaller part of the investment. Yeah, that's I would do gold coins with that. You see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
If somebody invested in real estate, that thing went up and now it's down.